Question 6. Name two similar triangles in each of the following figures, ensuring that vertices are listed in the correct order. Use this information to find PQ if PR is 3 centimeters. So P to R is 3 centimeters. Q to R is 4 centimeters. And S to T is 5 centimeters. Now, with these sorts of weird upside down triangles, again, it's useful to get them lined up in the same way. The first thing to be aware is to remember about alternate angles and corresponding angles. We've got two parallel lines here, one S to T and P to Q are parallel, and they've been cut by this line that's S to T. And according to our angle theory, these ones here, S and Q, are alternate, so these will be equal to each other in much the same way that the angles from P to T will be equal to each other. Therefore, those are the angles that line up with each other when I'm comparing triangles. So the triangle at the bottom, which is RST, and then we've got the triangle at the top, and now the angle S lines up with angle Q, so I'm going to put Q like that. Angle T lines up with angle P, and we've got our two triangles. So we're going to name the two triangles. Again, we have to line up in the correct order. I'd recommend doing alphabetical. So triangle RST is similar to triangle RQ. Well, in this case, we have to make sure that we have the correct ones, RQP. So there we go. So we've got the two sets of triangles lined up. That's the similar ones there. So we know which ones are the same. Now we are told that S to T is 5. I know that R to Q is 4. And I know P to R is 3. And did I miss? Oh, I did miss some information. Q to R. Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, I've mislabeled some things. Oh, that's silly of me. Let's try that again. P to R is 3 centimeters. Let's get P to R. P to R is 3 centimeters. Q to R is 2 centimeters. S to R is 4. And S to T is 5. There we go. So that's better. Now what we can see here is we want to find this distance here from P to Q. That's this one we're looking for. It's gone from 4 down to 2, so it has divided by 2. So if I use those to line up, that's gone from 4 to 2. Therefore, to get the line P to Q, I simply have to go 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. Question 7. Find a pair of similar triangles among those shown. Give a reason for the answer. When trying to compare, I would suggest starting with smaller sides to get their ratios and then choose another side. So for instance, the larger side. The important thing is as long as you do every combination, that's the only one, because that's sometimes where mistakes can happen. So the smaller sides between 1 and 2, so is going to be, what we're going to do is compare or make a ratio of smaller sides. The smaller side of 1 is 2. The smaller side of triangle 2 is 2. And that is equal to 1 to 1. The largest sides would be 4 to 5. Now, because the ratio 1 to 1 and 4 to 5 are not the same, they are not similar. Triangle 1 and triangle 3, the smaller side is 2, smaller side is 3, so we have a 2 to 3 ratio. The largest side is 4, the largest side here is 6, and that can be divided down into 2 to 3. And those are the same, so they're similar. Let's see if the last set of triangles are similar. Let's see if 2 and 3 are similar as well. So the smaller side is 2, the smaller side is 3. And the largest side is 5, and the largest side here is 6. And we can't simplify 5 and 6 down, so no. So therefore, the similar triangles here are 1 and 2. So we can say 1 and 2 are similar, and the reason being that they have their sides are in the same ratio. Question 8. In the diagram below, we've got the triangle DEF is similar to DGH, and we need to find C. So we know that if DEF, so DEF is the same as DGE. So this side and that side will be similar. This side and this side are the same. So yes, they're similar, the same. So therefore, and these are the same. Therefore, we can match up the corresponding sides. So this corresponds with this side here, and this side corresponds with this side here. So to get from the larger triangle to the smaller one, from 4 down to 2, we need to divide by 2. So therefore, to find the side, to find C, it's simply going to be 6 divided by 2, which would be equal to 3 meters.